I'm showing what the three main factors that determines how bright a star appears to us on Earth. So I'm using these three pictures to do this. This one, it's distant by its distance. So if you use an example is a flashlight. If you hold the flashlight far away from your eyes, it doesn't really hurt your eyes. It doesn't blind you. It's not as bright. But if you hold it right up against your eye, it's really bright, and you can it blinds you for a little bit, and it's much more brighter. So this kind of shows it this one's the near star, and this one's the far one, and you can see that this one is the brighter one because it's closer. So that kind of shows how the closeness of the star to us on Earth ties into the brightness. So yeah, that's the first one. The second one is the temperature. This one I think is very interesting. So without looking at it, you would probably assume that the red ones would be hotter, but that is actually not true. The blue ones are actually hotter. The sun's right there, and that's in the middle. It is perfectly almost in the middle, and that's if it goes like that, that's 6,000 degrees Celsius, or no, Kelvin. Kelvin, 6,000 degrees Kelvin. So now this kind of shows so the temperature also does the brightness, helps the brightness. So the blue stars, let's see what ones are there. Rigel star, let's say. That one's pretty hot, and it makes it appear a little brighter. And the Sirius star, right there, it's pretty bright because it's close. Because it's hot, and I think it's close to the Earth. So this is increasing temperature, and so the sun is right there, and so it's like a Goldilocks zone, and it's perfect for life on Earth. And that's another factor. And the last factor is the size of the star. The larger of the two stars with the same temperature at the same distance is brighter. So you can let's say that we have a really small ball, 50 feet away, maybe a millimeter wide, and another star that's as big as a tennis ball, 50 feet away. You could probably see the tennis ball, and rather than the other one, the millimeter ball, because it's bigger. And that's kind of the same with stars. It appears brighter because you can see it more. So these two stars are smaller, right? And now you can see that this one's a little bit duller than this one. So the big ones show a little bit more. So the three main factors of the brightness of the star is distance, temperature, and size. These all contribute to it, and it just helps. And so the distance, the flashlight example, the temperature. I didn't get an example for that, but this picture kind of tells it. And then this one, the ball example. And so yeah, those three, distance, temperature, and size, determine the brightness of the star.